In today's digital age, artificial intelligence, AI, has made significant strides, enabling us to explore new avenues for communication and productivity. One such advancement is ChatGPT, a powerful conversational AI model developed by OpenAI. With its natural language processing capabilities and generative abilities, ChatGPT offers a wide range of applications for individuals and businesses alike. In this video, we will delve into how people can effectively utilize ChatGPT to enhance their experiences and streamline various tasks. Virtual assistants. ChatGPT serves as an intelligent virtual assistant, readily available to provide information and support. Individuals can integrate ChatGPT into their websites, messaging platforms, or mobile apps to offer instant and personalized assistance to users. From answering frequently asked questions to guiding users through a process, ChatGPT can enhance customer support and improve user experiences. Content creation. With its creative and generative capabilities, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for content creators. Writers, bloggers, and marketers can utilize ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, receive suggestions, and even generate drafts. This collaboration between human creativity and AI assistance can fuel inspiration, enhance productivity, and bring forth unique and engaging content. Language learning. Learning a new language can be challenging, but ChatGPT can serve as an interactive language learning companion. By engaging in conversations with ChatGPT, language learners can practice their skills, receive language-specific feedback, and immerse themselves in real-life language interactions. This personalized and interactive approach can enhance language acquisition and boost confidence in communication. These three use cases demonstrate the versatility and value of ChatGPT. It can act as a virtual assistant, streamline content creation processes, and enhance language learning experiences. As AI technology continues to advance, ChatGPT opens up exciting possibilities for improving communication, productivity, and personalized experiences across various domains.